Well, today is a very, very special day. Comment down below if you know why. I'll give you a hint. It's their special day. Oh, it looks like they wrote us a note too. It's our birthday today. Hip hip hooray. We have a big, giant surprise. Love the baby elves. They do have a big, giant surprise. And it's not just any surprise. It's a cupcake surprise. This is the best day ever. Okay, now let's take a look to see what we have inside here. And then we'll open up the big magical sundae. Okay, let's take a look. Ooh, there's even a swirl on top. What is it? It's a little tiny puppy. Wow, I can't believe it. For your birthday, you guys have a puppy that you can take care of. That is so, so special. I can't believe it. Okay, now let's see what we have inside this cupcake. As you can see, there's magical glitter sparkles, and so far I'm seeing that she has black hair. I wonder what color her eyes are gonna be. Comment down below. Okay, oh, it's in a beautiful ponytail. She has a beautifully sparkly dress, just like Cinderella. Wow, she's so lucky. And her eyes are brown, like my eyes, with pink eyeshadow. Wow, she is so, so beautiful. Well, first let's start off by having her take a little shower. The elves are taking a shower here. Scrub that hair, scrub that hair. Okay, now her hair seems to be a little bit wet, but I am going to go ahead and blow dry it. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now let's just brush it into place. And let's brush the back. Oh, wow, she has long hair. She must have taken a lot of time to grow that hair so long. Wow, that's impressive, isn't it? Okay, I can't believe how sparkly her dress is. Do you have a dress like this? I sure don't, but I would love one. It's stunning. Okay, now we'll put on a little bit of perfume. She smells super duper fresh to start the day. And here is a purse for you. Okay, now all we need to do is just go ahead and spray your hair. Okay, perfect. Now let's open up the sundae after we take a bite. Look, there's even a cherry on top. Take some nummy nummies. Well, I think that the elves are enjoying their sundae a lot. They love their sweets. Okay, now let's go ahead and carefully open this up. What is it? Wow, it's a beautiful vanity. Can you believe it? And there's even a thing to turn on the water. Woo! Wash, wash, wash. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and see if the beautiful Cinderella princess loves her beautiful makeover. Oh, I think she loves it. I think she's smiling. Is she smiling? She is. She's smiling. She's so, so happy. Well, I hope that the elves had the best birthday ever with their cupcake surprise. And I cannot believe it that they got a puppy dog. Comment down below what we should name this puppy. There's so many puppy names, and we gotta love the puppies of the world. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Now hit that like button.